My right knee's been playing up, so I'm in for a routine operation. Tomorrow morning I'll be heading in for surgery. Right now, all future trips are on hold. So my right knee had been bothering me for about 4 to 6 months with no signs of it looking like going away. The original plan was to wait until after Italy, but when that trip cancelled, I decided to get it looked at earlier. I think the tipping point for getting it looked at was after a recent 3-day bike trip. I spent most of the day heading into a headwind, and after that it just didn't show any signs of repairing again or sorting itself out or the pain subsiding, so it just felt logical to get it looked at. The same surgeon had operated on my left knee 4 years ago, so it just seemed the right time to get it all sorted out once and for all. And now post-op. This is where recovery begins. Little and often, that's the plan for now. The bandages are off, and 3 days after leaving hospital, the mobility is already starting to come back. So I've just come out from seeing the surgeon, and he seems quite pleased. He said everything's looking how it should look. Swelling's starting to go down, the colouring's coming out of the knee. He's given me some supplements to take and some exercises to start slowly strengthen the knee, and in a week's time from now I'll go back and we'll take the stitches out. So it's all looking quite positive. I did explain there's been a bit of pain there the last couple of days, but he said there's nothing to worry about, so we'll see. The operation was an arthroscopy, a minimally invasive keyhole procedure used inside joints. They use a small camera and instruments to clean things up and repair any damage inside the joint. In my case, there was debris behind the kneecap and a small meniscus tear that needed sorting out. I feel like I'm starting to move properly again. In 3 days I see the surgeon. I'm hoping for good news. Even some light riding will feel like progress. Day 14 wasn't the all clear I was expecting. My mobility has gone backwards slightly, so I've been advised to leave the bike for now, but the stitches are out and I'm booked in for physiotherapy.
So, and the next thing we're going to be doing, raise your leg up, okay, up.
It hasn't been a straight line of progression, but the direction is clearly forward now. Some days felt better than others, and at times it even felt like progress had gone backwards slightly. But now the physio sessions are definitely getting more challenging, and so far the knee is coping fine.
3, 4, 5.
Exactly 1 month ago today I was having the operation, and this morning I've finally been cleared to start cycling again. It's a very gentle ride, and the recovery is obviously not over yet, but the knee feels very good so far. I had the same operation on my left knee a few years ago, and if anything this one's probably taken slightly longer before feeling ready to get back on the bike. But even so, in the grand scheme of things, 4 weeks isn't a huge amount of time to have been away from cycling. But right now, it just feels good to be back out again.